Kamu anak muda yang peduli. Apa yang jadi ketertarikanmu? Ketenagakerjaan muda, transformasi digital, lingkungan berkelanjutan, keberagaman dan inklusif. Apapun topiknya, peningkatan kapasitas penting agar anak muda dapat memaksimalkan potensinya. UNICEF Indonesia bekerja sama dengan penyelenggara Youth20 Summit dan PBB di Indonesia mengadakan Lokakarya bagi anak muda membahas 3 topik utama. Mulai dari segi kesehatan mental,
mental health seems to be a new and silent pandemic, one for which there is no cure with a vaccine or confinement to prevent it from spreading.
Our youth mental health shall be well addressed, especially on its social determinant.
Ketenagakerjaan pemuda.
Despite these unprecedented policy measures by governments, disadvantaged youth face even more challenges. For instance, young persons with disabilities, young refugees, or because of gender disparities, lower levels of education or socioeconomic background.
Young people and people from marginalized groups need skills that will help them get into the job market. Unfortunately, the skills gap among young people will continue to exist if our governments do not attend to this issue in an urgent manner.
Sampai topik partisipasi anak muda.
Many young people across the world are still unable to influence many aspects of their own lives, lacking access to civic engagement opportunities to influence planning and decision-making.
We don't want to be invited to just speak. We must be co-creators and co-owners of the entire process. And of course, other adjustments and barriers must also be addressed, such as adequate compensation for youth time, expertise, and emotional labor.
Tiap pihak punya peran penting untuk mendukung partisipasi anak muda yang berarti. Mari sediakan ruang untuk tiap anak muda berpendapat. Undang dan pastikan para pengambil keputusan hadir, mendengar, dan menindaklanjuti dengan aksi nyata. Karena anak muda memiliki hak partisipasi dan merupakan mitra yang setara. Dukung lewat perubahan individu dan perubahan kolektif di lapangan, serta perubahan yang sistemik lewat kebijakan yang inklusif. Untuk setiap anak muda, kapasitas, kesempatan, kesetaraan, kepercayaan, partisipasi. Partisipasi yang berarti.
It is clear that all of us, governments, youth, and all of the people in the world are able to move together in terms of thriving to a better mental health situation.
Lifelong learning is very important. Creating the training program and capacity building to ensure that employment opportunities are much more equal. In particular by engaging the private sector, NGO and think tanks, as well as multilateral institutions like the United Nations and the ILO.
Where we're going to involve youths from various education backgrounds, race, ethnicity, to be listened. And not only merely to be listened, but of course, the public decision maker, they need to involve and they need to create actions based from the youth support.